Hello, sixth grade, how are you? ¿Cómo están sexto grado? Hope you are fine. Espero que estén muy bien. Okay, our topic for today is the order of distance of the planet to the sun. Nuestro tema para hoy es el orden de la distancia que tienen los planetas al Sol, okay? And the 8 planets in the increasing order of distance to the Sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. The closest planet to the Sun is Mercury, and it's the first planet, right? Mercury. The second planet is Venus. The third planet is our planet, Earth. The fourth planet is Mars. The fifth planet is Jupiter. The sixth planet is Saturn. The seventh planet is Uranus. And the farthest planet to the Sun is Neptune. Neptune. Okay? So we have here the closest planet, Mercury. The farthest planet, Neptune. Right? Okay. Now it's time to practice. Okay. See you later. Bye.